This series gives you an overview of the Automated RealTools marketing system. This covers the autoresponder, registration, and overview. The autoresponder is a key component of the marketing system, but it is just a framework for it. The marketing system will also include scripts, templates, and many details on how to conduct your marketing plan, finding motivated sellers, also for finding motivated sellers with equity in their properties. The marketing system will also go thoroughly into buying homes and marketing in today's environment. This will include the recession that we're going into now. We'll start from the website and first log in. Once we log in, you'll go to the business intensification section and click on the automated marketing tools. This will take you to the sign up. This is the framework of our sign up. You'll first enter your first name and your last name, the email address, your company, phone number. You can put the expected list size, but at first just start off with 1 to 1,000. Desired logon, your password, and you'll re-enter the password. From there, check the I agree box and then click on the start my free trial. At this point, you'll see this message here, and it says you have to confirm your account. What we'll do then is go into the email, and here you'll see the email says confirm your account. You'll click this. Once you click that, then the account will be confirmed, and at this point you'll start your free trial. Here you'll see it's confirmed, and we now can have up to 250 emails. From this point, we can upgrade our account at any time. You can upgrade it at first to the minimum account, which is $9.95, and you can have up to 500 emails and 3,000 sends per month. You see here there are some beginning instructions on how to use the system. This will be your subscriber count here. It'll tell you the number of emails that you have in your subscriber plan. It'll show you the list that you have and the number of messages you can send out. As you see here, the account has been validated, and you now can have up to 250 emails, and you can send out 250 messages during this first month. You also can upload up to 500 kilobytes of images that are stored here on the system for your emails. Let's take a look around the account. Here you have the settings. This is where you can go in and take care of any of the billing or account information. Here's where you would create new campaigns or look at a campaign. Here's where you can change your preferences. At this point, you can change your name or email address. Check this box if you want the iContact Assist and panel to come up on the welcome page when you first start. This will allow you to use different HTML editors. Just use the recommended default one. And from here you can go in and create your logo or import your logo. To do that, you click on Browse and then click on your logo. You have a limit of 70K. So this one is 54K, so this will work. We'll click on that one, say open. Now you see here the logo location is placed here, and then I would go down, click save, and now my logo has been imported. The logo will show up places like when a user clicks on an email to update their account, the logo will be at the top. We'll go back here into settings, and here you can use different billing options and create campaigns or see the existing campaigns you have. when you look at My Campaigns, you'll see that it always starts you out with a campaign with your name. And as long as you'll be using the same name and email address, then you can just keep this one campaign. One of the main things that campaigns do is allow you to use different names and email addresses. And within the settings, you can use these tabs to go to the individual places in settings, or you can click on them here from the main settings screen. This button will allow you to get help, and you can give feedback to our email partner by clicking this feedback button. From here you have My Contacts, Create, Send, and Track tabs up here. Each of these tabs will take you to a different place within your email marketing system. My Contacts contains your lists here, and on this tab, this is where you create lists and go back and look at the different lists you have. Search Contacts, this will allow you to search through your emails and contacts by various criteria. We'll click the Search Contacts, and from here you can do a quick search by just typing in the email address or other information, and it'll bring you back all that have whatever is typed in here somewhere within that contact information. Or you can go down here for an advanced search and put in any information, including the date range that you want to look through. For example, if you just put the date range in, it will return all of the contacts that were added between these dates. When you click Lists, it'll show you My Lists, or you can create new lists. So here when I click My Contacts, I can either create a new list or view the list that I have. Here is Add Contacts. You can add contacts 4 different ways. Segments are great if you want to have a list and have it go to different people or have categorized different ways. You would use segments to categorize it. The advantage of segments is that when you create multiple lists, the email address in each list is counted toward your maximum number of emails. For example, if I had 2 lists with 10 names each in them, then it would be 20 names. If all 10 names are duplicated on both lists, I would only have 10 contacts on 2 different lists, but I would be using 20 of my maximum contacts I can have. So if you segment your list, then you'd have one list, and the different categories or different groups in that list can be broken out, but each contact will only be used once to count toward your maximum number of contacts. Here in Create tab, this is used to create messages. You can also create RSS feeds, and you can view the messages you've already created. Surveys is used to create surveys or to see the surveys you've created. Here's the autoresponder, where you can create or view your autoresponders. And the image library is where you can upload images to be used within your emails. The Send tab, this is where you can send messages that you've created. This will allow you to enable your autoresponders. Once you create an autoresponder, you have to actually enable it for it to start working. And this will deploy your surveys or send your surveys to whatever list you'd like them to go to. And here, this is the pending messages, the ones that are scheduled for delivery through your autoresponders, or if you schedule a list to go out sometime in the future, then you can view that here. This is for tracking. This is where you can track the last message that was sent. You can see a brief report or a full report. This is your tracking dashboard. This is where you can track your surveys, and this is where you can track your sent messages when you send off an autoresponder, you would go into viewing autoresponder results, and you would not see totals except for when you click the view autoresponder results. And here we see we haven't created any autoresponders yet. So that's a quick run through of the system. Now we'll go into more details on creating lists, e-messages, and everything else.